Hey guys, I'm Sarah. Every week I comb through hundreds of DIY videos preparing for projects for our weekly maker show, Make or Break. Along the way, I find some good ones and some great ones, and right now I'm gonna share them with you. This is Sarah's Top 5 DIY Backyard Fire Pits. Alright, let's get started with number 5. Septic DIY made a mini concrete and wooden patio version of a fire pit. Now I think this is more decorative than it is a functional fire pit, but for those of us who don't have a giant yard, I really like this concept and the creativity that he showed in this video. Even though he doesn't talk, he does a great job showing you every step of this build. He chose a really fun shape, and the size of this little fire pit is perfect for a patio or a small deck. Number 4 is Shaloha Creations with this fun concrete and gas fire pit. This thing is a beast. Now Joshua started off by making the melamine mold for the concrete base, making sure to add wire for strength and stability. Now even though there was a slight hiccup during this build, Joshua recovered, reinforced the mold, and finished the concrete base. Once he got it outside to its final resting place, he got to work adding the gas line, sealing the concrete, adding the stones, and to finish it all off, he built a wooden cover that doubles as a table when you aren't using the fire. Number 3 is Modern Builds, who took a different approach to a concrete version of a fire pit. With the help of his buddy Mike from Industrial Maker, the duo got busy designing a mobile fire pit. Yep, you heard me right. This is an on-the-go fire pit. Okay, so they used glass fiber reinforced concrete for this so they could keep it thin without the concrete crumbling. Then they built the legs that fold underneath to make it easy to move from place to place. Mike Clifford tackled the assembly of the fire pit insert, and then all that was left was to attach it to the base and enjoy. The black rocks are a really nice finishing touch, making this project complete. Number 2 is a DIY fire pit with a custom grate from I Like to Make Stuff. Okay, so this landed at number 2 for a couple reasons. One, this is a really simple DIY project that anyone can add to their backyard without needing a lot of time or money to create. Bob really does a great job walking you through how to make a simple fire pit that will last many bonfires to come. But then he goes on and does something a little bit extra by customizing the grill overlay to be the shape of a TIE fighter. I mean, come on, look at that. I want one. Okay, so if you don't know how to weld, that's okay. You can still add a simple grate that you can find from your local home improvement store. This thing is awesome, Bob. Finally, we're at number 1 with Mr. Build It and his paper patio and fire pit. Okay, so this is definitely the largest project in today's list, but it's not a super difficult one. If you have a weekend full of sunshine ahead of you and you're looking for a custom looking space in your backyard without a custom sized bill, this is the video for you. Alex converted an outdated space in his yard with pavers and paver kits from Rumblestone. He started by preparing the ground for the sand and all of the pavers, making sure everything was level as he went. After he chose the pattern he wanted, he started laying the stones one by one. When the patio was finished, it was time to build the seating and fire pit with a little help from the Rumblestone kits. This entire project looks amazing, and it really makes me want to have a bonfire. Alright guys, do me a favor and like this video, and if you have not already subscribed to Belts and Boxes, please do that now and be sure to hit that bell so you don't miss any of our shows that come out during the week. You can catch me every Friday at 5 p.m. for the Power Tool Week in Review with Rob, and every Saturday at noon for the next episode of Make or Break. We'll see you then.